What's up, guys? So today we have a pretty fun adventure. I had to come up all these roads right here. I'm in four-wheel drive. I gotta keep going up this mountain. We gotta find a piece of equipment that is somewhere up here, and I'm not exactly sure. I guess I just follow this road. It's pretty tight road right here. See if I can make this turn without backing up. No, I'm gonna have to back up just a little bit. Yeah, good thing on my truck's four-wheel drive, huh? Okay, go this way. Ooh, it's getting nice and skinny. It's a big truck on this little road. I'm sure I'm not going that way. So let's see, another tight turn. I mean, it's pretty paved. Kind of, it's not that bad. I might have been able to make it without the 4x4. Still not gonna make that turn. We are on the way. I think I'm getting pretty close to it. My little red dot on my maps is showing pretty good, but check that out. That's pretty fun. Yeah. Definitely a good day. Had to come all the way from way over there. So, way to start the morning. Let's see. Good thing I brought coffee with me, huh? Cool views. Ooh, mobbing. See, so I guess there's a hydraulic leak. A hydraulic leak on a grapple bucket. Maybe 4x4 was a good idea. I'm glad I'm in four-wheel drive and I didn't have to switch all of a sudden. Pretty tight road though, it's a little stressful, but I mean, we got this. My truck's pretty big. This little tiny road. Let's just try to hug the wall a little bit. This is a steep one right here. Coming up on my equipment any second. Oh, another turn. Yeah. Oh. Don't want to back off the side of the mountain. That wouldn't be fun. Okay, look at that. We out here though. My way around. Oh, another turn. Okay. It's pretty gnarly. I hope I don't need parts. That's gonna be funny. I'm gonna drive all the way up here and figure out that I need to go back down to get parts. Get close now. Okay, it looks like turn this way. See no equipment over here. Okay. I see a truck up there. I'm getting closer. right, guys, we'll turn off the video for a second and then we'll see what I got going when I get to it. All right, check this out. Yeah, we out here.
I knew it was just sprayed. I already had that feeling, eh?
All right, hydraulic leaks right here. Here's a hose. Let's see if I got this on my truck. All right, so luckily I have the exact hose on my truck. So pretty much it's this bolt right here, or nut right here, and that nut right there. And you just pop them off, pop it on. This is a plug and play situation. So we're gonna replace this hose real quick and get these guys going. I mean, I'm glad I had the part on my truck. Not really, because it would have been kind of fun to keep driving, but yeah, so I'm gonna get this knocked out real quick for these guys, and we'll test run it when it's done and let them go continue their job. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And there you have it, installed. Tester, make sure it works. Grab me a zip tie real quick. Tie this hose up right there so it doesn't get caught up. You know. Yes, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No leaks, we're good to go. All right, so that was a simple fix. It was a nice drive, and we were on the way back down the hill. I'll keep you guys for here for a minute so you get the nice view of everything. Got to be careful going down because, you know, momentum and stuff. Gravity definitely want to take me down faster than I want to go. Oh, my brakes are gonna love this. Oh yeah. Wobbly wop. Look at that view though. Like if that ain't a good way to start your Monday morning, I don't know what is. Should be fun. Yeah, there's my trail. Goes all the way around. Sweet. Yeah, so I think I could have made it without the four-wheel drive. But it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. bikes out here, dude. Go ride on some of these trails. Drop right there. Slow, baby, low and slow. Another sharp turn. Right off four-wheel drive really doesn't like to be there. I'm taking four-wheel drive off. It doesn't like to make these sharp turns. Drive off of it. Okay, no more four-wheel drive. Tires don't like to make these sharp turns like that. There we go. Now I got more way more control over the truck. Turn. Took the K5 to work today. had the part for the unit on the truck. It was a nice little off-road rescue. 4x4 all the way up the hill. Get these guys going again. Some days are interesting, some days aren't. That was pretty fun. See what the rest of the day has in store for us. Pretty much down the mountain now. So you guys, it's a pretty smooth ride out from here. So again, I appreciate you guys watching. If you're enjoying these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around for the next adventure. You never know what's gonna happen or what's in store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.